For a while, I kept thinking that maybe I should wait before properly documenting what I am doing, because when you are still at the beginning, nothing looks especially impressive yet, and most days are just you sitting with an idea, trying something, changing your mind again, and slowly turning it into something real. But then I realized that this is actually the part I want to record the most, because once something starts working, people usually only see the cleaner version of the story, while the confusion, the random decisions, and the moments when you genuinely have no idea what to do somehow disappear. Right now I'm building my first digital product and trying to grow this channel, experimenting with different ideas and basically learning everything while I'm doing it. But I don't want this channel to be only about one product or even only about business. Because what really interests me is the process of starting with nothing and seeing what you can create from there. I want to be able to look back one day and see the exact moment when all of this was still small, when I was recording videos without knowing who would watch them, building things without knowing if they would work, and posting even though everything still felt unfinished. And honestly, I'm not doing it because I already have some amazing success story to tell, because I really don't, guys. And that's actually what makes it interesting to me. I just genuinely enjoy making videos, thinking of ideas, filming something, and then slowly putting it all together until it becomes a piece of content that didn't exist before. And even when the result isn't perfect, still get this feeling that I made something real out of a normal day. So the reason I started recording everything is actually pretty simple, guys. I want to show the whole journey from the very beginning while I'm still figuring it out, and at the same time I just really enjoy creating all of this.